Status update. For those of you that typically watch this channel, you may be wondering, what on earth is going on right now? In other words, why am I on camera? And why am I not flying Wilson? Well, I've purchased a new Osmo Pocket 3. And so I figure what I can do is start doing some vlogging stuff and actually just add that to the channel as well, put it into some playlists, talk to you guys, build an audience with you, be able to have communication and conversations. And so my first trip out testing out the Osmo Pocket 3 is, ironically enough, on this one. It's a work trip. I was headed down to Corvallis. I brought Wilson with me on this trip. So you're gonna see some scenics. I'm gonna put together a little highlight reel for you and probably overcut what I'm talking about right now. And yeah, Osmo Pocket 3, by the way, really cool. Highly recommend. Can't say enough good things about it. The camera fires up instantaneously. The screen is really confidence inspiring as far as actually giving you just a way for you to kind of see yourself and make sure that your framing's good. Also, active track, totally awesome. Had to get my coffee. Everything is better with coffee. By the way, if you're ever in Corvallis, there's a place here called Tried and True Coffee. Great place, really recommend it. Good craft coffee and nice baristas. That being said, some drone shots that you're gonna see, or some aerial perspective angles, let's call them that. Courthouse at night, courthouse during the day. Really pretty riverfront and just a neat area. So, if you're a college student, the reason why you would come here is because of Oregon State. So, Oregon State, obviously OSU, has a good basketball team, have a pretty good football team as well. Just that would be the reason why you'd be in the area, or if you live here, or perhaps if you're an alumni, right? So, cheers. Hope everybody's doing well, and we'll see you soon. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that stupid YouTube algorithm is helped when you do that. I'm Gray Shot Down. Thanks guys for joining the channel, and I hope you enjoy the content. Take care.